back to Creative Cat. I'm here again with my one more best out of the West project. These beautiful candle holders I made using West Pringles can. Hope you will love this tutorial. Do let me know in comments and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's see the tutorial now. I got this West Pringles can. I will cut it in half. You can easily cut it with knife. I'll make some lines to form a checks pattern. This can already have its own lines. You can use them as guide. I'm doing it very roughly. You can take proper measurements. Please do comment and let me know how you like my designs. Your comments means a lot to me. They always encourage me to do more work. So your guys' feedback really important. I'll make diamond shape here. I'm going to cut off this part. You can also do this project on a plastic bottle. You can see this beautiful net pattern. Now I'll cut two circles on the cardboard using Pringles can cap for measurement. Stick them together for thickness and strength. I have this pamphlet which I am going to roll. You can take any thick paper, apply some glue and roll it like this. Fix it with hot glue. Now fix this stick on our base. And stick the upper portion. I have made one more candle holder. I have purposely kept this height difference. These are tissue papers. Cut them in small pieces. I'll cover the entire candle holder with glue and tissue paper, which I do with most of my projects, which also makes the structure really strong. This is completely dry now. This is 3D outliner which gives beautiful 3D effect. I will outline this diamond shape which will make them pop up in all design. Now fill this gap with any design. I'm making simple zigzag pattern here. We don't want to keep it plain. My request to my new viewers, please consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing videos and click the bell icon to get updated about new videos. I'm coloring it black. All are acrylic colors I'm using. Now highlight with metallic golden. You can do your variation in colors. These are some pearl beads. I'll stick them in each diamond shape. I wanted a combination of gold and pearl, one of my favorite combination. I have cut this butterfly on paper. This is foam sheet. I'll use paper butterfly as stencil to cut butterfly shape from foam sheet. I'll make some texture on these two with 3D outliner. We'll color it white and then pearl white, highlighting with gold. You can directly use golden highlighter if you have. Stick it to the candle holder. And the beautiful candle holders are ready. You can use this kind of battery operated candles in it. Please don't use real ones. If you like this video, please hit like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon for new updates. Bye bye.